In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Make with Notion seamlessly. This guide is essential for anyone looking to streamline their workflow by connecting these two powerful platforms. Let's get started. First, let's log into your Make dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice the interface is designed to be intuitive, helping you navigate through creating scenarios efficiently. After logging in, I want you to locate and click on the Create Scenario button. This step is where you begin to build the automation process that will connect Make with Notion. Now in the search bar, type the word Notion. It's important because you're instructing Make to prepare to integrate with Notion specifically. After typing Notion, you'll see it appear in the suggested options, so go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll want to set up the data source. You'll see an option labeled Create a Data Source Item or Any. Go on and click on that. What this does is allow you to define where Make should fetch the data from or where to send data to when using Notion. Now that you've initiated the data source, it's time to manage the connection. Look for and click on Create a Connection. This step is crucial as it establishes the necessary linkage between the two platforms. Afterward, you'll need to specify the type of connection. Click on Connection Type, and then choose between Notion Public or Internal, depending on your needs. This selection will guide Make on how to interact with your Notion workspace. Once that's done, click on Save to lock in the connection details you've just configured. With the connection saved, you'll be automatically directed to the Notion interface where you'll need to connect your Make account. Look for the Select Pages option and click on it. This is where you'll choose which Notion pages you want to integrate with Make. After selecting the pages, click on Private if you want the connection to be more restricted, or Select All if you wish to integrate all available pages. A prompt will appear asking for permission to allow. Make access to these pages. Make sure to click Allow at this juncture to grant the necessary permissions. With the connection permissions sorted, return to the Make interface. You'll need to decide on the input method for data handling. Click on Input Method. From here, select Specific Fields of Data Source. This option is ideal if you only want certain pieces of data to be passed between Notion and Make. The final touches involve typing in a data source ID, which identifies your specific data streams for processing. With that entered, click on Save once more. By doing this, you are finalizing the integration and ensuring that all the settings are correctly captured. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a connection between Make and Notion, allowing you to automate and optimize your workflows effectively. Be sure to give it a test run to see how well your integrations function. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. See you next time.